Hey, tell me what Graham's number is.
Say, okay. Close your eyes and think of the biggest number you can.
Okay.
Now, that number probably wasn't anywhere near Graham's number. Here's the largest number that's ever been used in a serious mathematical proof.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So big that you can't even express it in any familiar form of notation. You have to learn a new type of notation that involves up arrows.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, 3 arrow 3 is 27. 3 double arrow 3 is 7.6 trillion. So those arrows escalate really quickly.
What's 3 triple arrow 3?
Oh, that number has 3 trillion digits.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's almost like infinity.
Almost pretty much. And 3 quadruple arrow 4 is that number is a power tower of 3s that many high.
Wow. How many high?
That 3 trillion digit number. And that's not even in the vicinity of Graham's number yet. We're gonna call this number, or we're gonna call this monstrosity G1.
G1?
Yep, is what we're gonna call this beast of a number. Yep. Now we're gonna take 2 3s and put that many arrows between them, and we've seen how many arrows.
Like
and we've
3 trillion arrows?
No, not that many arrows, because that was how many digits the other number. That's how many digits. That's how many exponents the 3 quadruple arrow 3 has.
Okay.
And you can't imagine that number. Number because it doesn't have 3 trillion arrows. It's the number of digits of that far exceeds the Googleplex.
Wow.
And that number I was talking about earlier.
Back when your favorite number was Googleplex, that was cool, but now you learned about this number and it's cooler, right?
Yep, because it's so huge.
I'm gonna
talk about that many arrows between 2 3s, and now we're gonna talk about 3. We're gonna have 3. Now we're gonna call that new. We're gonna spit out a new number this is gonna be G2. And we're gonna put G2 arrows between 2 3s.
Okay.
I really don't know. No one, not even Graham himself, knows how much that is.
Wow. Is Graham still alive?
As far as I know, Ron Graham.
When did he come up with this number?
Oh, I don't know. But it's still done, and we repeat this process until we have 2 3s with a G63 number of arrows between them, and that is G64, and G64 is equal to Graham's number.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's a huge number.
So it is. We really don't have words to describe it.
It's huge. Huge.
What do you think about me saying I don't have words to describe that number?
I would agree. My brain can't imagine that number. Yeah. But what I want to know is, why do you like numbers so much?
I really don't like them so much. I prefer space and stuff, but I just was curious.
Okay.
I'm just saying, why do you like numbers so much? Why were you asking that?
Just because I was curious.
Well, what made you think I like numbers?
Because you chose to research Graham's number. Don't eat the food on your shirt. You chose to research Graham's number on your own, and I was just wondering. Are you done?
Yep.
All right. Thanks, Casey.
You're welcome.
Love you.